Hi, welcome if this is your first time, and if not, thank you and welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when there's a new upload. My name is Patience. Please keep watching. Today I'll be making jollof rice, or red rice as my little ones call it. I'll be using all these ingredients for this recipe. Please check the description box for full details and info about all this. The first thing I'm going to do is pour my rice in a pan, add some water, stir and cover to boil for about 10 minutes. As you can see, I'm blending bell pepper, onion and tomato to puree just before making the jollof sauce. Once I've done this, the next thing is to make our jollof sauce. Now I'm going to pour my oil in a pan, then add the tomato puree and then stir for a bit. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be the curry, thyme, salt, nutmeg, seasoning, as well as homemade garlic, ginger paste and bay leaves. Give all the ingredients a lovely stir before adding the blended peppers and tomato. I don't know, I just like frying it like this because it gives it entirely lovely aroma and taste. I'm going to stir well till I get a good combo. Once I've done this, I'll cover it for 10 minutes. Now this process can be so messy, but trust me, the end result is quite worth it. As you can see, I'm stirring it like this to avoid all the splashing everywhere, and it's just been 5 minutes of cooking. However, I'm going to cover it for another 5 minutes because it's not really thick enough for me. But let's not forget our rice, so I'm going back to my rice. It looks half done, but to stop the cooking process, I'll run or pour cold water on. Just give it a good stir, drain, and then set it aside. My sauce is ready, so I'm going to stir. It doesn't matter if you burn in this time or at this time, because the burnt actually gave it a lovely African or Nigerian, I don't know, it just gives it a whole new kind of flavor or taste. So I'm going to stir, add my boiled rice and then stir it again to combine or till I get this lovely color. Once that is done, sprinkle diced onion and tomato, then cover for about 5 minutes. Please taste for salt or seasoning to be sure it's okay for you, but mine is okay like this, so I'm just going to give it a lovely stir. As well, don't forget to remove the bay leaf because you don't want to leave it there too long so your kids don't mistakenly eat them. Once I've done that, I'm gonna cover it for 2 minutes because I want it really nice and soft for my kids. Now my jollof rice is ready. It really tastes good and I love the color. Now I see why the kids call it red rice, because of the color. To be honest, all this decoration is for me because my kids will pick all of them out of the food. Please comment what you think below. Enjoy, and I will see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.